Hi, my name is John. Welcome to Online Verb, and today I want to talk to you about how to make $100 a day online. Okay, and on my channel, my YouTube channel, I talk about a lot of different ways to make money. So please go check out my other videos and see what else they show. But today specifically, I want to talk about a method that is going to show you how to start making $100 per day online, because that's a big goal that a lot of people want to try to hit. And once you get there, then it really makes it easy to scale up beyond that. So this is going to revolve around email marketing. So just to be upfront, but I'm going to show you how you can do this for free. Okay. So just keep watching so I can show you how you can get this, how you can get started for free. But it is extremely easy, this method, and it is geared towards newbies, very newbie friendly, and you do not need any kind of tech skills to do this. So now you may be curious, well, how are we going to do this with email marketing? How are we going to make $100 a day online? I'm going to go and jump into the system you're going to use called List Infinity. Okay, now List Infinity, it is a direct sales opportunity type of product, and they offer basically three membership levels. They offer a free level, a starter level, and a pro level. Now you do pay $10 for the starter level, it's just a one-time payment, and a $100 one-time payment for the pro level if you choose to go with one of those paid options. But you can start completely for free. Okay, and when you go, this is the site that you get to, it'll say create your free account. Okay, now it'll give you the opportunity to upgrade, $10 one-time payment for starter, and then upgrade $100 one-time payment for pro, but you can start and use it completely free. Now if we go into the membership area, what you'll see is they'll walk through exactly how to set up List Infinity. So it takes you through all the steps, okay, and it includes 14 different lead capture pages that they host for you. And so you don't need to have a domain, you don't need to have a hosting, you don't need to have any type of building software, you don't need to know how to use Elementor, or you don't need ClickFunnels, you don't need any of that, okay? And these are actually very nice opt-in pages. And so you're going to integrate this with your email autoresponder. So you do need an email autoresponder, but there's three of them actually that it integrates with. And the first two I'm going to show you, you can start with for free. Aweber, this is the autoresponder that I use and the one that I recommend. And it also integrates with GetResponse, which I've used in the past, and they're also very good, and I would recommend them. They do integrate with a third autoresponder called Traffic Wave, which I used many, many years ago, but I would not necessarily go with them. However, you certainly can if you'd like. I would go with either Aweber, and again, they have a free plan that you can start with for up to 500 subscribers, and then you do have to convert to a paid plan. But you'll be making money at that point, so it's no big deal to convert over once you hit 500 subscribers. And same thing with GetResponse. If you look at their pricing, it's free as well for up to 500 subscribers, up to 500, and then it goes to a monthly price as well. But by this point, if you're making $100 a day, even if you're just making $5 a day, you're going to easily cover your costs for the autoresponder. So don't worry about that. Don't let that stop you. Let's go back. You can see these are very nice opt-in pages. There's several, there's 14 of them to choose from, and so you can kind of pick what style you like and then use that. So you can start with List Infinity for free. You get 14 opt-in pages that you can use for free. They host them so that you don't have to pay for a domain, you don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to learn how to connect all this stuff together. Now, when you do set up your system, they walk you through exactly how to connect to your autoresponder, to Aweber or GetResponse. So they have really clear step-by-step instructions in here. There's also going to be really good training. You can use free marketing methods, and they have some really good training on using Facebook, and they give you promotion tools as well. So if you want to do it, free through social media, you certainly can do that. Or if you want to use some paid traffic, they talk about solo ads, and the nice thing is they have a solo ad Rolodex with some sellers and their reviews, their cost per click, and how often they get sales as well. And so that's actually super helpful. Now, a couple advantages: if you upgrade to Pro, there's definitely a lot more training in here, training on different traffic methods, such as YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, etc. So lots of other training if you do decide to upgrade at some point. And then also you get to monetize this inside the membership area. So all these banners here, your affiliate link will go here. And when they talk about setting everything up, let's say if you go to Solo Ad Secrets, there's links in here, and these are your affiliate links if you're a Pro member. And so, if you help someone get started and they're going through here and they're like, yeah, let me grab ClickMagick, then you would make an affiliate commission if they do that, or if they buy a solo ad from Udemy, etc. So there's a lot of other ability to make affiliate commissions within the membership area if you're at a Pro level. But again, the point of this video was to show you how you can start for free. They do give you follow-up email sequence also to upload into your autoresponder, and so you'll automatically have emails going out after people opt into your opt-in page, and those emails are going to encourage them to upgrade to either the $10 one-time payment for the starter method or the $100 one-time payment for the Pro membership. And those are direct payments that go directly into your PayPal or Stripe account. Okay, they don't go to ListInfinity, they go directly to you. And so that's another really nice thing that I like about ListInfinity, is that these are direct payments of 100%. They don't keep anything, they don't hold anything. It goes directly to you. You don't have to wait to get paid. And if you do decide to upgrade at some point, maybe things are going well, you decide you want to jump in, and you go to the $10 starter level, well, every time someone gets started, you're going to make that $10. Okay? Now, if you're at the Pro level, then you'll make any $10 when someone starts at the starter level, and you make $100 if they upgrade to the Pro level. So there's some really nice direct payments there as well. And then the other beautiful thing about ListInfinity is it's only a one-time payment to get started with ListInfinity if you decide to join at the starter or Pro level. So it's just one time. You don't have to pay monthly. You don't have to keep paying. A lot of programs, there is a monthly cost, and so you have to worry about making those sales to cover your monthly cost, etc. But it's very, very realistic when you get started with this to start making money either by building up your email list and making commissions by sending out emails to the people who join your email list. But then also you can make money in direct payments of 100% if people join ListInfinity. So I hope this gives you an overview of how you can make $100 per day online using email marketing. And this is a method that you can start with completely for free. It is easy, newbie friendly, no tech skills needed. And if you do upgrade, you'll get those direct payments of 100% paid directly to you. So I hope you found this helpful. Please leave me a like if you did. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment, reach out. I'll be happy to help and answer any questions. And please subscribe so you can get new videos as they come out. Thanks so much.